Hi there, and thank you for joining us today on We Are La Plata County TV. Today we're with 6th Judicial District Attorney Christian Champagne. Christian, your office is probably best known for prosecuting crimes in the 6th Judicial District, but you obviously have other elements to your work. Can you talk a little bit about your diversion programs?
Sure. We have a robust diversion program here at the DA's office. One of the things we're most proud about is our mental health diversion program, which is just up and running. It's grant-based, but we also have an adult diversion program, a juvenile diversion program, and a restorative justice program.
Great. So can you walk us through how the mental health diversion program works?
Sure. So when someone's charged with a crime and we identify them as having a mental health issue, we have them screened for our mental health diversion program. That's usually done either at the jail or by the Access Mental Health facility here in Durango or in Archuleta County. And if they identify as having a diagnosis or a mental health issue that's kind of causing their crime, then they become eligible for our program.
Great. And so then what outcomes do you hope to achieve with the program?
The goal of the program is to get people enrolled in mental health treatment so that we can address the underlying root causes of their behavior. We believe that if we can treat their mental illness and get them back on track with treatment, they're much less likely to commit crimes and engage in crimes.
Great. So what are the types of cases that are eligible for the program?
Well, we look at all types of cases that we can, both misdemeanors and felonies. The only real restriction is that we don't look and accept cases that have victims involved. So we try to make sure that they're crimes that are not too serious, sort of low risk, low needs offenders, where nobody really got hurt, but society is the victim of the crime, and we look to find cases that we can help, solve those problems and make sure it never happens again.
Great. So can you give some examples of those types of cases?
Yeah, we're looking at things like sometimes low-level property crimes or traffic cases, things where, again, society is the victim. So it might be a criminal mischief case where someone's doing graffiti, or maybe it's a disorderly conduct where we see people acting sort of outrageously in the community and scaring people. But we don't look to accept any violent crimes, anything with weapons, or again, specific victims.
Okay, great. So how many people does the program currently serve?
Well, we just got the program really up and running in April. We're working on a grant basis, and right now we've got 14 clients in the program. And those folks are engaged in treatment with Access Mental Health and working through their case plans, and so far showing a lot of promise and success.
So what happens when they have completed their case plan? What happens in terms of your office then?
Right. Well, it's a diversion program, so the goal of the program is to route people out of the criminal justice system entirely. If they are engaged with treatment actively and continue to stay engaged with their treatment, once they complete either a 6-month period or they complete their entire case plan, then their case is dismissed without any criminal conviction.
Great. So it sounds like a great opportunity for folks.
Yeah, it's really a great idea. Not everybody needs to be in the criminal justice system, and this is a great way to identify people who have specific issues and route them out of criminal justice entirely, but also make sure that they're getting the treatment that they need so it never happens again.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Christian. Appreciate your time today, and thank you all for joining us on We Are La Plata County TV.
Thank you.